Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is end of service benefits for the employees. So what we are going to learn in this video, we are going to see the presentation and recognition of end of service benefits. We will see the calculation of increase or decrease in this provision, and we will see the complete journal entries that how we can record end of service benefits in our accounting books. So let's start with the beginning. Presentation and recognition, like end of service benefits comes under non-current liabilities. Like it is our long-term liability which goes along with the business. Either the employees are leaving or joining, the addition or deletion will be happening in this account. So recognized as an expense in our income statement, and a liability, a long-term liability or non-current liability in our balance sheet. So this is our presentation and recognition. Also, we have to present in our notes to the accounts the detailed information of our end of service benefits, which I will show you at the end of this slide, like this slide, like calculation, that what are the information that you have to provide in the notes to the accounts. So let's see the journal entries, the most important thing, that how we can record our end of service benefits. So here we have journal entries like adding new end of service provision. So end of service benefit expense in profit and loss or income statement will be debit, like it is our expense is increasing. And secondly, provision for end of service benefits in balance sheet will be credit as our liability is increasing, non-current liability. So when we are recording this end of service benefit, so this is the entry we are passing. So when payment made or posted as current liability, when we are paying the end of service benefit to our employee when he is leaving, then provision for end of service benefit in balance sheet will debit, our balance will decrease from this account. And if we are paying cash or the bank, that will be credit. Or if we are keeping it with us for a period like 1 month, 2 months or 3 months or within 1 year, that we are saying to the employee that we will pay you on this date, please come and receive, or we will transfer you on this date. So that will become your current liability of that period. So that will be payable. Okay, end of service benefits payable under current liabilities will be credited as a balance sheet. Okay, so the next is unused or non-qualified end of service benefit. What journal entry we need to pass? If some employees are leaving the company and they are not qualified to get end of service benefits, but we will keep recording every month or every year for them in the end of service benefit expense, we were recording expense and we were making as a long-term liability for them. So how we can treat with them? So we need to do provision for end of service benefit will be debit. We are going to take out that money from our long-term liability. And end of service benefits income in profit and loss as a credit, or we can make the reverse. As you know that we have passed the entry when we add a employee, we pass the entry end of service benefit expense debit and provision for end of service benefit credit. Now when we are taking out this money, either we can make this money as an income in our profit and loss account, or either we can reverse and we can credit our end of service benefit expense in profit and loss account. So both treatments are right. Now let me show you that how you can show the calculation in your notes to the accounts when we are preparing our financial statements. So opening balance of end of service provision beginning of the year, suppose it was 100 when we start the year, plus additional provision for the year, the whole year, more employees added in our company, and we were adding up in the expense and the long-term liabilities. So that is 20 which will be added. So So minus end of service benefit paid or payable, like the employees leaving our company. So some of them we are paying and some of them we are making as a current liability with us. So minus non-qualified end of service benefit, the one which we are going to reverse the effect. The employees which are not qualified to get end of service benefits, we were keep making as an expense and long-term liability for those. So now we need to reverse the effect. So we need to show here the values. So net end of service provision carried forward at the end of the year will be 105, like 100 plus 20 minus 10 minus 5, it will be 105. So this thing you need to show in the notes to the accounts when you are going to prepare the financial statements for the owners. So I hope guys you understand this concept. This is very easy. So please subscribe our channel as it keeps motivating us to create more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.